Felt so happy before. A little rascal knocked at my door. It's Cupid that I'm speaking of. I'm in love, so in love. I must admit that right from the start, I went and lost my heart. Wait till you see me with my sweetie, showing her off to the crowd. Looking so dreamy at my sweetie, feeling so terribly proud. She makes a specialty of looking good to me. She ought to be right in Tiffany's window. She's a jewel, I know that you will agree. Wait till I'm married to my sweetie, how happy I'll be. I've got the bungalow paid for, I've had it specially made for my sweetie, sweetie-dee-dee, my sweetie and me.
Even at matinees, he kills them.
That's why he's a great performer.
Well, even getting ready for the greatest performance of his life. This just came.
Oh, thanks. I'll take it.